Interesting. Hi guys, today, as you guessed from the title, I'm going to unbox video light Godox SL60W. W stands for white. Okay, let's open this bad boy. Okay, here we have some discount, 12 months warranty, register to get 24 months warranty total. Amazing. Okay, what we have next? We have a bunch of boxes. It's pretty packed. Probably, okay, name honeycomb. Looks like it's a bundle. Yeah, I guess right. So these are honeycombs. Honeycombs, barn door, and we also have some filters. Red, green, yellow, and the blue one. It's pretty flimsy. Okay, looks like this. Okay, let's put it aside. What else? Got some plastic bag. What it might be. Have some tissue and some Jackson's gloves. Interesting. What else? Looks like it's kind of lipstick. Okay, I can clean probably with this one. Okay, not right now. Probably it's still clean. Okay, how about unboxing box? That's the box itself. Put it aside. Okay, more paperwork, some kind of Chinese characters, some other Chinese characters, and some more paperwork. Specifics, characteristics. Okay, good. Cable. Looks like it's very huge cable. Probably. It's very good one, big one. Let's see how many meters. That's the huge amount of cable. It's probably 5 or 6 meters. Definitely don't need to extend it for this one. Also, it's good. Okay. Okay, what we have here? Here, that's the reflector. Looks like we also have some hole. Probably it's for umbrella. Yeah, it's definitely for umbrella. Okay, let's put it aside. And that's the bad boy itself. Oh, wait a second. We also have some remotes. Pretty handy. Okay, what we have here? Feels heavy.
Heavy is good. Heavy is reliable. If it does not work, you can always hit him with it.
So that's the probably cap. Looks huge heatsink, LED. Here we have LCD panel, control knob, switch on, switch off, power jack, and a switcher for, I think it's for channels, so you can switch between many of them. Say you have few of them and you can switch between them as a group. Let's see how it's gonna work. Godox light comes with 4 filters: blue, green, yellow and red one. Let's try them all. First we're gonna start with yellow one. In order to install, you just easily slide this to this place and it's done because of the magnet power. Now we can install it. That's it. This is how you mount it. So this is how yellow light looks like. I set power for 100%, just to make it right. Looks very yellow to me. How about other colors? Let's try red one. Red one looks pretty scary. Maybe kind of vampire scary. Can say I'm already blind by a red one. Maybe Dracula style. Probably I'm gonna use for the Dracula movies. Oh, Halloween. Now it's a green turn. I'm already blind. Okay, now it looks like I'm in the forest, some Amazonian forest. Very dark one. Dark and green. I'm not sure how it's gonna be used. One idea I have is just for the St. Patrick's Day. Let me know in the comments how would you use green light. For now I have no ideas other than just St. Patrick's Day. Now it's a blue one. Okay, now we are in the blue zone, or probably avatar zone. Looks like avatar person. This is how blue filter looks like. I don't have any softbox at this moment. I'm gonna use this small transparent screen to imitate the soft light. Right now I set the small diffuse panel that I use for photo shoots. Right now on the remote control I have 25%. That's the minimum amount of power. For some reason they set 25% as minimum amount on the remote control and 10% on the body itself, which is strange, but it is what it is. Okay, let's crank this up till 100%. Right now it's 30, 35, 40. I think 45% is good enough amount light for YouTube or any kind of small interview or video. 50, maybe 50 also enough. 60, 66, 70. Okay, now it's 100% and it's definitely too much power. I'm not sure if I'm going to use 100%, but 50% was good enough for me. And by the way, I'm using Nikon D750 with the lens Tamron 50 to 30mm, and my settings at this moment is ISO 400 and f-stop 2.8. For these settings it's good enough for 40% even. I think 45 to 50 it's a good amount for everyday use. Okay guys, I hope it was helpful. I like this Godox SL60 video light. It was powerful, more than enough for me. Probably I'm gonna use this bad boy with a softbox, and next time I'm gonna review softbox with the Godox SL60W. Please subscribe and like this video if it was helpful. See you next time.